Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nuraisa and my student number 184. I'm from class ELTLB and I will to present about my annotated bibliography with the research questions student challenges on learning listening. So any six article I'm used in my annotated bibliography. The first article with the title Challenging Issue in Learning Listening, a Correlational Study in University Level by Ardani. Article 2 Learners Listening Comprehension Difficulties in English Language Learning by Gilak Jani. Article 3 Exploring EFL Students Problem in Listening Comprehension by Sari and Fitriana. Article 4 The Challenges of Listening to Academic Lecture for EAP Learners and the Impact of Metacognition on Academic Lecture Listening Comprehension by Rahi Mirat and Moini. Article 5 Listening to Student Voice Student Problem Listening Comprehension by Tresta and Novianti. And the last article with the title Students' Problem in Listening Comprehension at University Level by Trisno and Mayuni. This is Article 1 with the title Challenging Issue in Learning Listening, a Correlational Study University Level. The introduction, this article, listening is one of the fundamental skills in language learning. In addition to speaking, reading, and writing, this skill has been learned since young age. There are 26 participant students from the English Department of Education at the university. The author did not mention the study he used in his research, but the author find are several challenges. There are 1. Lack of vocabulary mastery, 2. Less understanding grammatical forms, speakers utterance, unclear pronunciation, and speed of speech, unclear content the passage, and cycle setting including uncomfortable class, and 3. Lack of facility and background noise. The author also mentioned when in listening activities, students must concentrate and focus because this activity requires phonetic understanding and good vocabulary mastery. Low score and listening test result can make students have low motivation in learning and it affects their achievement. Article 2 Learners Listening Comprehension Difficulties in English Language Learning, a literature review. The introduction, this article, listening is one of the most important skills in English language learning. When students listen to English language, they face a lot of listening difficulties. There are 26 students in semester 3 of the English department at Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University. The author found several challenges. There are 1. Quality of recorded materials, 2. Cultural difference, 3. Accent, 4. Unfamiliar vocabulary, and last, length and speed of listening. The author used qualitative research in his research using objective tests in the form of listening comprehension tests and questionnaires. The author also provides some suggestions for students in overcoming problems encountered in listening. Such teacher must provide authentic listening material for students, design assignment, and motivate students to learn to listen. Next, Article 3, Exploring EFL Students' Problem in Listening Comprehension. The introduction, this article, listening comprehension is an active skill that has many processes. Listening comprehension is a highly complex problem-solving activity that can be broken down into a set distinct sub-skills by Bernes 1984. There are 29 students majored in English at the Pahlawan Tuanku Tambusai University. The author found several challenges. The challenge is in the form of a lack of student concentration in learning to listen, lack of student skills in language, and a lack of student understanding in listening. The author used the method. This study is qualitative qualitative because of its characteristic and descriptive data results. The suggestion is often to practice listening with lecture and friend and take advantage of technological sophistication using the internet and some social media as a means of communication for learning. Next, Article 4, the challenges of listening to academic lecture for EAP learners and the impact of meta-connection on academic lecture listening comparison. The introduction is listening in general is a challenging language skill for many learners in which they usually face frustration. This is by Arnold 2000 and Go 2000. There are 15 participant female academic staff from Com University. The author's several challenges faced by EIP students are difference in listening, lack of skill in vocabulary, and difficulty in understanding lectures. The first and three research questions use qualitative method, and while the second research question use quantitative. So this article have three research question and use different method. The author does not provide suggestion in his research, but in my opinion, students can further enhance their skill in vocabulary, and the lecture can provide varied learning strategies so that students do not feel bored and are easier to understand in learning listening. Next, Article 5, Listening to Students, Problem Listening Comparison. The introduction, listening is one of the most pivotal skills among the other skills. Listening is claimed by some of the research as a fundamental skill which can develop another skills. There are 40 students majoring in English from one of the universities in Bandung. The authors find several problems. In this article, there are to the listening materials, failure to concentrate, psychological characteristic, the listener, the speaker, and cycle settings. So the author used two studies, qualitative and quantitative, using a questionnaire and semi-structured interview. The author also provides some suggestions that can help to overcome the problem faced in learning listening comparison, such as by first having to master some basic skill needed in listening so that we can develop our other skills so that we can learn listening more easily. And last article, this is article 6, Student Problem in Listening Comparison at University Level. The introduction to this article, listening skill is an important part of communication and are the basis of second or foreign language learning. Learners get language input through listening. There are 15 participants students majoring in English. Participants involved were students who received the lowest scores in listening. The author found several problems that occur, such as the difficult material given by the lecture compared to their needs, difficulty in learning, listening, understanding the material in listening, and increasing the variety of learning strategies used by teachers so that it can improve student learning styles. The author used qualitative method with the collecting data and observation, teaching and learning. And then the suggestion, the author does not provide a suggestion in his research, but same as my previous opinion, student can further enhance their skill and vocabulary, and lecture can provide varied learning strategies so the students do not feel bored and are easy to understand in learning listening. Conclusion of all articles, listening is a skill that is quite difficult compared to the other three skills, namely reading, writing, and speaking. Listening, in general, is a challenging language skill for many learners in which they usually face frustration. By Arnold 2000 and Go 2000. Therefore, not a few students have difficulty learning to listen. Directly, the purpose of the article above solves, in general, some of the problems or challenges faced by students in learning to listen. Some of the most common challenges, such as the lack of basic skills students have for learning to listen, such as the lack of vocabulary and lack of pronunciation, make it difficult for students to learn to listen. This problem can be overcome by frequent practice and memorizing a number of vocabularies so that when learning to listen is not an obstacle. That's all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.